Hey Bonnie Beauties, we are back with another video, and today we are going to make fans. I'm showing you that you can make different size fans. So you can do really wide fans or you can do skinny narrow fans. You just want to make sure that base is thin. So here I am using a pinching method. I am dipping into my glue and using my pinky to separate the hairs really well. So you're going to hold your pinky over so that you can get in between them hairs. Make sure you are pinching tight grip and you have the right tool for that, and you are going to get a nice finished look. So here you can see on one side it's really full and on the other side it's full, but there's spaces in between, and you can get any desired look this way. You could do a hybrid or volume. You can see here that both set of eyes have a fullness to them. Thanks for watching. Bye.